Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to use Files application on iPad Air 13 2026. The Files application can be easily found on the home screen of our iPad. Here, we'll be able to navigate in two different modes, one with the sidebar with all the recent files and also tags included on the list, and one simply divided by the file type. And these modes can be switched by tapping right here. So if we divide the files into different subcategories, we'll see the recent files. In the first one, the shared, which shows the shared files between our Apple devices, and browse, which will open both your local and iCloud folders in one place. Now, let's go back to the sidebar view. Now here we have the iCloud drive, which you can refresh and update and fill with different files, and this way back up your data in the cloud storage, which is very useful. Now on my iPad with all your local files, then the tags that simply separate your files by colors, which is a very convenient thing to do, and surely is worth learning. Now you can easily attach tags to any files in here simply by holding down your finger on any file and then selecting tags, selecting the color that you want to attach to this particular file, and then by selecting this color on the sidebar, you'll be able to see all the files that have the same tag color. You can drag and drop files by holding your finger down on any of them and moving them around. You can also select files and select different files and then copy them or paste them simply by tapping this three-dot icon in the top right corner, selecting copy items, and then paste items in a different directory. On my iPad, you can actually organize your file structure. So here is where you create your new folders. So you can tap right here to create a new folder, or just hold your finger down on an empty space and select create new folder. Let's call this folder photos, and let's drag and drop a file in here. Okay, so now we have one photo in the photos folder in local storage. And yeah, basically that's what you do. Now, in order to change the views of your folder, tap right here and select either icons or list or columns, and sort the applications using the sorting categories. Then also you can use the quick look to search throughout your entire file system. So you aren't searching through this particular folder, but you are actually searching throughout your entire files application. So if you need to find something in your files, just tap search icon and search for it, no matter what directory you are currently in. And that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.